Hello guys, welcome to English Can, your ultimate destination to learn this beautiful language effectively. Guys, we have taken a very interesting topic for you today. It's about grammar. Today we'll focus some very important aspect of your English grammar. Today we'll try to find out certain adjective which doesn't have or which don't have a positive degree and comparative degree. It's itself a superlative degree, right? We are going to focus some adjectives which don't have a positive degree and comparative degree. It's only a superlative degree. I mean to say that whenever we are talking about an adjective, the adjective we can also express an adjective in three ways. One is a positive, then comparative, other is the superlative, right? Superlative is the highest form and positive is the lowest form. Whenever we are trying to compare, we are using comparative degree, that you know, right? But there are certain, I mean, adjectives which do not take the positive or comparative form. The adjective itself is the superlative form. Very interesting, right? So just to make it the point very clear, just I'm giving you an example. Just go through the example, then we can find it out. Okay? So I have written an example. Biology is my most favorite subject. Biology is my most favorite subject. The sentence itself is wrong because here most favorite, people used to call it most favorite. That means biology is my favorite subject. This is right and this is wrong. Favorite means that you like the most itself. So most is not used with favorite. The favorite is an adjective which is in the superlative form. That means we are not going to use most with the favorite word. Just to make this point more clear, suppose I say beautiful. Beautiful is an adjective. The moment you say, suppose you are trying to compare two girls, you can say more beautiful, and in a class you want to show the superiority or a girl is the most beautiful, right? So beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Exactly, we are using also clever, cleverer, cleverest. Like that we can also use some adjective form. But here favorite is an adjective which itself in the superlative form. That means we cannot use most with it. If you are using, then the sentence will be wrong. So we have already given the example. Biology is my most favorite subject. The sentence is wrong because most favorite, there is no such most favorite, only favorite, because favorite is the superlative form. It's itself in the superlative form. There are certain words like few such adjectives are complete. This is a complete meal, not most complete or more complete. This is the complete meal I had today. Equal, favorite, ideal, perfect, superior, unique. These all words complete, equal, favorite, ideal, perfect, superior, unique. This particular book is unique to me. Unique means it's the superlative form, right? So guys, we have learned few adjectives that's itself in the superlative form. There is no need of making it again superlative by adding most or est at the end of the word. So I believe or I hope you have enjoyed the sessions. We'll come up with new lessons in our next episode. Till then, bye. Take care.